sucks at jumping. You see that? She couldn't even jump from here to here. She's fat. I've been feeding her too much. She's trying to get to the ball. She sucks at jumping. Well, I got this stool so she uses the stool. She jumps to the stool, and then jumps to the chair, and then jumps to the bed. She's not the best jumper or climber. When she's, after she's eaten everything. I woke up with her sleeping right next to my head. I was super happy. I was like, oh, my God. Hey, Sarah, do you got any song suggestions? Tempted to pay to get rid of that, or just afraid of work last week. Stuck in the past. I'm an old person. You got any songs in mind?